Our Advanced Detox Bundle has our Restore Detox Protein Powder, our Ultimate Gut Restore Probiotic, and our WLS Formulated Digestive Enzymes. This bundle provides all the benefits of the basic detox bundle, but we've just changed the probiotic. So we're utilizing our Ultimate Gut Restore in combination with this Restore Detox Protein Powder is a fabulous combination to really help heal your gut and help you lose weight and get your digestion back on track. So you have all the same benefits with 18 grams of gut healing bone broth protein that are rich in glutamine and collagen. It has lots of antioxidants and phytonutrients from our fruit and vegetable blend of the powdered greens and powdered reds that really kind of help calm inflammation. It has the glucomannan to help with constipation and improve weight loss and blood sugar balance. Has the ability to really help you absorb protein, fats, and carbohydrates and improve meat tolerance. All that stays the same. In addition to, we're adding these additional digestion support ingredients by utilizing our Ultimate Gut Restore Probiotic. So when you're having a few more digestive symptoms, you need a more gentler probiotic. And that's where our Ultimate Gut Restore comes in. You don't have a starch prebiotic fiber, you have a water-soluble prebiotic fiber. So it is less disruptive and gives you less symptoms that you don't have the digestive upset that you can with some probiotics. It has 50 billion CFUs as opposed to 25 billion CFUs of probiotics. And we utilize 7 strains of live active cultures. So 7 strains is not as high as our WLS formulated of 12, but you have very specific strains that do very specific jobs. As well as this probiotic is shelf stable. So that is attractive to some people who don't like having to get into the refrigerator to take their probiotic. So 5 of our 7 strains are known to provide relief for digestive problems. 3 of our 7 strains are known to heal a leaky gut. So when you combine these strains with our Restore Detox Protein Powder with the bone broth protein that we're utilizing, you get a great combo and powerful supplements and ingredients that can really help heal your leaky gut, heal your digestion, help you lose weight, and get you back on track with your diet and lifestyle. So this bundle is great for weight loss surgery patients who need that extra detoxification support. So maybe you have genetic SNPs that need some support, liver support, or maybe you've had a history of fatty liver and you know you need to support that so that gets better. Or maybe you're having problems with your fatty liver or your liver enzymes. This would be the product that I'd recommend. And then especially for those individuals with digestive problems, this would be a great combo to use. So whenever you have weight loss surgery and you're having digestion problems, liver problems, and lots of poor diet choices, utilize our Advanced Detox Bundle.